Hello Techie Geeky, this is Akash and I welcomes you to the Indian Gadget Show or just Tix, whatever you want to call, it's up to you. Anyways, today I'm going to talk to you about the browsers that we use and how it gets impacted in our daily life. I am also going to review about the Brave browser. पहले ही बता देता हूँ guys, ये वीडियो बहुत ही in depth होने वाला है. You will get thrilled to know all of these information. And one more thing guys, Brave browser से आप पैसे भी कमा सकते हो. कैसे कमाओगे वो मैं आपको वीडियो के अंत में बताऊंगा. So stay tuned for that. And guys, the Indian Gadget Show आपके लिए बहुत सारे gadgets and technology related videos लेके आता है, so please hit that subscribe button down there. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Before we talk about Brave, it is important to focus on Chrome first, since 70% of browser market has been acquired by the Chrome. I have been using Chrome from years and what I like about the Chrome is its ecosystem. Everything is synced guys. I can access the bookmarks that I have created on PC through my mobile. I can manage the history from multiple devices when you signed it with the one Google account. Everything is easy and everything is synced, like organizing bookmarks, downloading extension and utilizing all the feature. But all this comes with a great risks that we aren't aware of. Let's talk about it. First, all we know about memory eating Google Chrome. It does impact on your computer speed and that's what I hate most about it. Second, there is no support of blocking ads natively. I need to make Chrome even more heavy by adding some third-party extension. Third, it is not lighter due to all the facility that we need is provided by some third-party extension, so downloading and using it makes Chrome even more hungry for memory. Fourth, do we even need to talk about the privacy? There is nothing private with the Chrome. Don't get fooled by incognito mode. It's not safe either. Your browser history and all the data is with Google, so keep that in your mind. You may ask, what is the remedy for all these issues? और क्या remedy चाहिए? इतना अगर मुझे एक browser से problem हो रही तो I need to uninstall that browser. There is a one proper solution for this. Use of Brave browser. But सिर्फ मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसलिए आप उसे use मत कीजिए. I will prove to you how good it is when it's compared with the Chrome. But before that, let's shed some lights on its features. As we discussed about the problems of Google Chrome like ad blocking, performance impact, speed issue, privacy issue and whatnot, all the problem has a remedy given by the Brave browser. Brave blocks all type of advertisements natively, so it does not require any third party extension to that. और आप जो ad देखते हैं बहुत सारे तरीके से ads आपको दिखाई जाती है. एक सिंपल तरीके से होती है, एक एनिमेटेड ads होती है. तो एनिमेटेड एंड सिंपल तरीके की एड्स में आपको लोडिंग में थोड़ा फर्क देखने को मिलेगा. बट सिंपल तरीके से आपको ऐड दिखाई जाती है और एनिमेटेड तरीके से भी आपको ऐड दिखाई जाती है. उसके लिए तो आपका ही डेटा यूज होता है. जी हाँ, सही सुना, आप अपना डेटा वेस्ट करते हो. वो नहीं होगा विद ब्रेव, क्योंकि आपको ऐड दिखाई नहीं देगी तो उसका डेटा जो लगना था उस ऐड के लिए वो यूटिलाइज नहीं होगा. सो अल्टीमेटली आप वो डेटा सेव कर पाओगे. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डज ब्रेव एग्जीक्यूट दिस ऑपरेशन. ब्रेव हैज फीचर कॉल्ड अ ब्रेव शील्ड. शील्ड actually protects your privacy. It destroys the trackers which actually tracks you on the internet. It also destroys the unnecessary cookies apart from the sites that you actually visited. It also upgrade your journey to secure connection whenever site supports it. And most importantly, it blocks the malicious codes or site. This is how useful shields for you. Now, Brave claims to be a 6x faster than Chrome, Firefox and Safari on mobile as well as on desktop. Since they blocks ads, destroys the cookies and blocks the malicious codes and sites, they claims to be a faster than all these competitors. Don't worry, we are gonna test that too. इसकी भी अग्नि परीक्षा हो जाएगी. Now, most important feature of Brave is collaboration with the Tor browser. Together, they have created the separate private window which will allow you to surf anonymously on internet. जिनको Tor browser क्या है ये पता नहीं है, उनके लिए मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि एक anonymous browser है which will help you to stay anonymous while you surf on internet. But आप तो बोलोगे यार इनकॉग्निटो मोड है तो Chrome में भी ये पॉसिबल है. अब बात छिड़क ही गई है तो मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ कि इनकॉग्निटिव मोड की असलियत क्या है. पहले बताना चाहूंगा कि what does incognito means. According to the dictionary, incognito is an adjective that means having one's true identity concealed. अगर हिंदी में बोलो तो आपकी आइडेंटिटी छुपाई जाएगी और कोई आपको पहचान नहीं पाएगा. नाम तो गूगल ने सही दिया है, बट क्या ये सच है? The truth about Google's incognito mode is it only prevent your browser history from being recorded on your local devices. तो ऑनलाइन तो वेबसाइट मेरा डेटा वैसे भी चुराई रही है ना, तो कैसा प्रोटेक्शन. प्लस इनकॉग्निटो मोड मोड में गूगल इज स्टिल ट्रैकिंग यू. दे आर गेटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर IP address and other browser fingerprints. So still you're calling it safe is a myth. It's all myth about the incognito mode. मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक आर्टिकल की लिंक दे रहा हूँ, प्लीज जाके वहां पढ़ लेना दोस्तों. और एक फीचर है ब्रेव का, इट्स अबाउट देयर इकोनॉमिक मॉडल एंड आई रियली लाइक अबाउट इट. यू कैन ऑल्सो अर्न मनी थ्रू इट. देयर इज अ सेपरेट सेक्शन दैट आई हैव मेड. वीडियो के अंत में मैं सब कुछ आपको बता दूंगा. स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट. विल एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग दैट यू रिक्वायर. नाउ दोस्तों फीचर तो आप जान ही लिए हो. नाउ थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल्स पे आते हैं. आई विल कंडक्ट टेस्ट विद 3 मेन ब्राउजर्स. एक क्रोम के साथ टेस्ट करूंगा, एक दूसरा फायरफॉक्स के साथ एंड तीसरा ब्रेव के साथ. टेस्ट आर मेनली ऑन स्पीड, सिस्टम impact or performance impact and detection of ads. Now let's start with the speed. Let's check the speed of web browser on different websites like Google, Amazon and YouTube. This test actually determine the loading type of website on 3 different browsers. Remember guys, this test also influenced by your internet speed. So I'm using here Geofy. So it could be different for you people, but these 3 tests that I have conducted on the same environment. So test results are here. For opening a Google, Chrome took 3.42 seconds, Firefox took 3.80 seconds and Brave took only 1.80 seconds. For opening Amazon, Chrome took 9.30 seconds, Firefox took 8.40 seconds and Brave took only 4.10 seconds. For opening YouTube, Chrome took 9.40 seconds, Firefox took 25.50 seconds. Oh, that's huge. Brave took 3.80 seconds only. So result shows that what Brave is claiming is indeed a true. Indeed, it is a faster browser among other two. The Chrome is on the second place and Firefox is pushed to the third place. Now let's check how does this browser affect the performance of your computer. We will opening 20 tabs simultaneously in Google Chrome and Brave and Firefox to understand how does it affects the performance of your laptop. It seems Chrome is sucking up more CPU processing power than rest of the two browsers. If I talk about the CPU utilization, for the Chrome is 20%, for the Firefox is 16% and for Brave it is just 5%. By looking at it, the number, we can tell which one is affecting the least on the computer. That's right, it's the Brave. Now let's check the claim of Brave browser that it does not showcase ads and save your data. For this test, I have visited a news website where we see the ads more than the news. Result were shocking. In the Chrome, I did not even read the title of the news and it was covered by some advertisements. In Firefox, I have spotted ads too, but I am shocked when I have visited the same site using Brave. I have seen none ads. Results are in front of you guys. By the way, you can test this too. नीचे लिंक में उस वेबसाइट की दे दूंगा, वहां पे आपको न्यूज भी मिलेगी और न्यूज के साथ आपको एड्स भी मिलेगी. आप चेक करो ब्रेव के साथ, चेक करो क्रोम के साथ और एनी अदर ब्राउजर. you will shock to see the results. So I can see that claimed by Brave it's true. It does not showcase any type of ads on the browser. Now a lot of people will be still in confusion. यार फीचर तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, सब कुछ अच्छा है, बट हमारे बुकमार्क्स, हिस्ट्री, एक्सटेंशन, ये सब डेटा तो क्रोम पे स्टोर्ड है. अगर स्विच करूंगा तो ये सब डेटा चला जाएगा. होल्ड ऑन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा दोस्तों, समझाता हूँ आपको. देखो दोस्तों, ब्रेव एंड क्रोम बोथ ब्राउजर्स आर बेस्ड ऑन क्रोमियम. सो अगर आप ब्रेव का इंटरफेस भी देखते हो तो इट इज एज सेम एज अ क्रोम. सो ड्यू टू दिस ब्राउजर बेस्ड ऑन क्रोमियम, वी कैन यूज ऑल द एक्सटेंशन दैट वी आर यूजिंग इन क्रोम. वी कैन इंपोर्ट बुकमार्क्स. अगर नया एक्सटेंशन भी आपको डाउनलोड करना है तो आप क्रोम के जो वेबसाइट है, जो स्टोर है, वहां जाके आप एक्सटेंशन डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं थ्रू द ब्रेव ब्राउजर. एज ऑफ नाउ ब्रेव का कोई सेपरेट वेबसाइट नहीं है एक्सटेंशन डाउनलोड करने के लिए, बट आप क्रोम की वेबसाइट पे जाके वो इजीली डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. सो डोंट वरी, अगर आपका कोई भी डेटा है, हिस्ट्री है, बुकमार्क्स है और कोई भी सेव्ड पासवर्ड है, एवरीथिंग कैन बी इंपोर्टेड टू द ब्रेव. नाउ एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड इन द बिगिनिंग कि मैं आपको ब्रेव ब्राउजर से कैसे पैसे कमाते हैं ये बताऊंगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू डाउनलोड द ब्रेव ब्राउजर. मैं नीचे लिंक दे रहा हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में, आप वही लिंक यूज करना. आफ्टर दैट यू open the Brave browser. Second, click on the hamburger menu located on the top right corner. First, there you find the setting, click on it, go to the Brave reward tab, which is the second tab. Enable Brave reward option. If it is not enabled, please enable it, and also add section option. So don't worry, by enabling ad doesn't mean that you will get spam like what we see in other browser. They will show you small ads in user friendly way. This is important. So by using this browser, what you will earn is a BAT, which means basic attention tokens. You can convert this into the USD. It's actually basically what you contribute, such as BATs to content creator that you like. You can donate or contribute these BATs to me as well if you like my content. So I feel this is a good economical model and Brave come up with the support to the content creators. आप भी थोड़े पैसे कमाओ. अगर आपको डोनेट करना है तो आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को डोनेट करो. Everything is can be done through the Brave. देखो दोस्तों, we have seen all the features and advantages that Brave has over Chrome. It blocks your ad. There is no such feature with the Chrome natively. It allows you to sub anonymously through private window. In Chrome, there is no such features. We have already discussed about the myth of incognito mode. It is lighter than Chrome. It is faster than Chrome, and most importantly, there is no adverse effect on the system performances. Chrome तो system performance को तो dictate करता ही है. आपने कई बार इसको observe किया होगा. Addition to all this, what we have is economical model where internet surfer, content creator earn money through it. These are really enough reason for me to switch over to Brave, and I did it. And you, let me know how do you find this video interesting. If you have any other doubt, please drop a comments. आपको तो पता ही है, हर एक कमेंट्स को वहां पे मैं आंसर देता हूँ. सब्सक्राइब करो दोस्तों. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.